Welcome to the Marlican Adventures. This is a video recently made in when we were driving around Calgary in Alberta, Canada, and this is an awesome experience for me because I came from the Philippines, and this is my first time in a Western country like Canada. So napaka ano exciting na experience, kakaiba kasi siyempre sa Pilipinas hindi natin nakitang may mga ganitong weather, may snow, walang lamig sa Pilipinas halos. Uh, sa init ba naman ng araw ngayon, summer, siyempre mas gugustuhin mo, depende sa'yo. Para sa akin, mas gugustuhin ko may kunting snow kaysa sobrang init na araw. Kaya good timing tong bakasyon na to. Kasi ito, mainit sa Pilipinas, kaya magandang nandito ako for now. So hopefully you're going to like the videos, guys, kasi marami pa akong mga ipopost soon. So don't forget to, hit the like button. So YouTube will be able to distinguish if you're actually watching, so it can recommend it to more people. This is just a small way to help this channel. Okay? So, yun nga, galing Pilipinas. As you can notice naman, marami ang mga pinopost na video na nasa Pilipinas ako. Kasi I really promote tourism in the Philippines. At goal ko dun is makatulong sa bansa natin na maging mas maunlad. Yun nga lang kahit man siguro anong gagawin natin minsan ganun pa rin ang Pilipinas. Sana mayroong pagbabago mangyayari soon, hopefully. Yun lang muna, meron tayo hope na maging mabuti ang ating bansa. So yun lang, we can all make our own ways to help the country we were born in, right? So that's just my way to help, and also of course because I have fun traveling sa Pilipinas, kaya nag-share din ako ng aking mga experience doon. So this is like this is one of my first videos overseas, traveling overseas and driving around sa Calgary, Canada. So ito ay napaka gandang experience. Marami akong nakita mga Filipino din dito na dito na naghahanap buhay. So siyempre nagustuhan nila tong lugar na to kasi napakalinis, saka yung crime rate is napakababa. Ang halos mabalita ang dito yung crime. Sobrang bihira kung meron man. So sa driving naman, yun medyo strict sila sa sa rules and regulations nila sa driving. Kailangan mong wag mag-text habang nagdadrive. So focus ka lang sa kalsada. Saka merong speed limit. So wala silang dito. Wala silang mga traffic enforcer na kailangang nakamasid sa bawat kanto. Dito meron silang mga camera. So malalaman mo na lang na na may violation ka pag pag nag-send ng letter sa bahay mo. 'Di ba? So sa part ng Calgary, sa downtown, itong part na to is maraming snow. The weather is kind of colder sa area na to kumpara dun sa kung saan ako nagsistay sa kapatid ko. So spring na to. Nung time na pag video nito is spring, April, first week of April. So supposedly last year, sabi nga nila dito walang snow pag April. Ngayon naman nag-snow. So hindi talaga pare-pareho yung weather sa Calgary sa Alberta. So ito naglalakad ako dito this time around downtown area. Is close to Center Street, and I think this was around 3rd Avenue. We're headed toward the a mall. It's a record shop inside the Opulence Center, if I remember it right. So Opulence Center. So mayroong record shop doon na benta ng mga LPs, vinyls, CDs and tapes. So yun yung pake ko dito sa area na to. So gandang lugar. Yung tao hindi masyado crowded. Di tulad sa atin sa Pilipinas na siguro kahit medyo may ulan, may mga tao pa rin na pumapasyal. Marami pa rin makita sa daan. Pero dito is, yun nga, may snow, malamig. Kunti lang yung mapasyal. Sabi nga nila daw dito, pag summer, mas maraming lumalabas. Pero sa population ba naman ng Canada, kumpara sa Pilipinas, mas maraming tao sa Pilipinas, mas maliit mas kunti yung land area. Yung land na yung lupain ng Pilipinas kumpara sa Canada na sobrang lawak. Ilang Pilipinas ang pwede mo pasok dito sa Canada. Hindi ko ma-estimate ng maayos siguro. You can leave a comment actually. Kung mayroon kayong mga ideas or anything you can say about sa video na to, mag-iwan kayo ng comment. Para naman may mga interaction, di ba? Alright, so ito around Calgary area, downtown, from downtown, heading towards the suburbs. So itong video na to is a combination of the suburbs and the downtown area of Calgary. Driving around and being inside the business district also. So nakita nyo, para siyang winter, diba? Ang daming snow sa paligid. Alright, so siyempre napakagandang masdan kasi parang nasa parang Pasko. Ikaw nga parang White Christmas kahit na April na, diba? So again, don't forget to hit the like button para magkaroon naman ako ng more subscribers hopefully, especially pag nag-like kayo, I recommend yung video ko to more people, and then eventually, if you haven't subscribed yet, you hit the subscribe button. So the goal is we can have at least 1,000 subscribers. So I don't think that should be impossible, right? Okay. So yun nga, sa mga Pilipino na hindi pa nakapapunta sa Western country like Canada or the USA, so iba talaga yung climate, iba yung environment na may experience mo pag pumunta sa isang Western country. Kasi pag nag-travel ka sa within Asia, maraming similarity po sa Pilipinas, yung most of the Asian countries. Diba? You can leave a comment there if you agree. I mean, probably not all Asian countries, of course. Like if you go to South Korea or sa Japan, I'm sure na may iba din yung environment dun kumpara sa most of the Southeast Asian countries. Alright. Well, anyway, this is just my thoughts, my 2 cents worth opinion about traveling from the eastern side of the globe to the western side of the globe. And I think the western side of this planet is having similarities in terms of their environment as well, like sa US, Canada. I think they're similar to countries in Europe. That's just based on what I can notice in videos and movies as well, diba? How about you guys? What do you think? Leave kayo ng comment para naman may mga interaction tayo dito sa channel na to. Alright. Kasi diba, apparently pag first world country, yung mga structures, mga building, mga public works and the roads, development of even the entire city and the vicinity of the roads is really different pag compare mo sa ano, 'di ba, sa mga third world country. Okay, so this is my, again, this is what I have observed so far. Okay, so we're almost towards the end of the video. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong vlog na to, as I'm going to show more similar videos in the nearest future. So again, subscribe to the channel, share it to anyone who might be interested, whether Filipino or iba yung lahi, di ba? Okay, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you for watching this channel. Sana makapag-travel din kayo, experience nyo yung ganda ng ating planetang planetang mundo. Alright, maliban lang sa Pilipinas na maganda din. Alright? Alright, see you around. Kita-kits, mga kaibigan.